Chairman Portman, Ranking Member Coons, thank you very much. It's an honor to be here. You know, I was asked one time when I was introduced as a senior senator from Georgia, what exactly does a senior senator do? I said, well, when somebody important from your state comes to town and they're nominated for a position, you get to introduce them. So that's what a senior senator does. So I have a real privilege today to introduce a Georgian who's a longtime friend of mine, a distinguished attorney from my state, a man who married way over his head in more ways than one, and is somebody I'm proud today to recommend as President Trump's nominee to be ambassador to Luxembourg. Randy Evans is a senior partner in the firm of Denton's in their financial services and institutions practice. Denton's is the largest law firm in the world. There's no better qualification that you could ask for somebody to go to a place like Luxembourg, which is the second largest domicile next to the United States of America for financial instruments and institutions. So it's an important country for our country in a lot of ways. And Randy is exactly the type of person you want to have in that country representing the United States of America. Now, he has many assets. I could tell you where he graduated from college. I could tell you all kinds of things about it. I'll tell you three things. One, his wife, Linda, is a beautiful, talented person who is a dear friend of mine and has been for years. One of the true joys I have in public service is going to events that I have to go to because I get to go to and be around Randy or around Linda. They're a great couple. Secondly, he has been a big help to me personally. In fact, he played the Democratic nominee for Governor, Zell Miller, when I ran for governor of Georgia in 1990, and Zell Miller beat me. But he played Zell in the mock debates that we did. I was a real estate salesman, not a lawyer, so I wasn't used to taking the argumentative approach to debate. I was used to trying to always sell. But Randy taught me the tougher edge as well and made me a better man in that campaign, and probably was ultimately responsible for me winning a few debates later on after I got my hat handed to me during that one. But I learned a lot from Randy, and he taught me an awful lot. But he's also a Georgia Bulldog. And I just have to say, Senator Booker, that on the day after the Georgia Bulldogs were not named #1 country football team in the country, it's important to be introducing a graduate from the University of Georgia, Randy Evans. So for many reasons, our football team, his talent, his gift to Georgia, his wonderful wife, and the service he gives to our state and our country, I'm proud to introduce President Trump's nominee for the ambassadorship to Luxembourg, Randy Evans, distinguished attorney from the state of Georgia. Randy, welcome.